Or you give me a counter rate.
Don't you worry your little heart, watch this. So, Jackson gave me a call. Said, you better get down here because a whole lot of stuff showed up. We don't know what to do with it. But I would say that, well, this old girl needs fuel. Oh, there you go. Maybe a little left.
Is it hitting something?
It was.
Oh, God.
There she goes. See you later. Woo. We received our fuel for the Altima, but we also received fuel for everything for the whole year. This is apparently, what, 1,570?
Yeah.
1,570 gallons of fuel. This is, yeah, you can double check the scope. We have 6 pallets, so we got 2 spares. 7 pallets. It's definitely a lot. So we're gonna move some vehicles here. Make some space. It sounds like it's
You know it.
maybe developed an exhaust leak.
Yeah. No,
Hit a Magnaflow. They make half-inch pumpers.
I got it.
I can tell it's heavy. Seems like a good spot for it, all right? See if little pork chops still got it in her. What do you say?
See what pork chop can do. Or you give me a counter rate.
Don't you worry your little heart. Watch this. Certified, come through.
It's gonna be good, yeah.
Oh yeah, this is what we use when we have to move a car. What?
What are we doing?
Venturing to see how strong these drums are.
Oh. I'm gonna walk away.
Front heavy.
Project actually.
Can you roll it back?
Oh, coming off.
Everything's fine. Try it again. I'm not enough. No. Oh, remember when I said that this was a 50? It's a 30.
Oh.
Okay. Well, so, I think our bad idea has come to an end.
Wow. We could fit at least
more people back
at
there?
least 3 more people on this thing.
This thing weighs over 3,000 pounds. All right, Jackson, hurry up. Pull the motor out of this thing. We need the shot.
You think I gotta tell it?
All right. So we really wanted to see about putting the Altima on top of all this fuel for a wicked shot. We were also very concerned that these...
We're not out yet.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I mean, my biggest concern was, like, I could see...
The lowest drum?
I mean, it's only like an extra, as we figured out, 50 pounds, 100 pounds on each. Maybe this is like a really bad idea.
Dude, we could,
we can't pick it up, it's too heavy.
You can pick it up. Shifting it somebody to give us.
Oh, we need a 5K. No one in this whole block has a 5K.
This block's changed a lot.
That's the most I've ever tried to pick up with the forklift. Look at that. Ooh. So don't want to move this thing?
Think that what'll help the car?
I think I'm doing doing it right.
I think you're supposed to do it like a staircase, right? Like.
This hose is in the way.
Oh yeah, there it is. All right, I'd say that kind of concludes our horsing off for the day, but yeah, in the end, Sunoco sent us out, like I said, over 1,500 gallons of race fuel. So we got the SR18, we got the 100 unleaded, and then we also have the E85R. So we're gonna be trying out the E85R in the VQ twin turbo kit once this comes back. Then the 100 we're gonna be running in all of our street vehicles. So super sick. The SR18 being our highest octane leaded fuel. That'll be Altimaniac and the Pro car. So thank you, Sunoco, and I'd say let's get out of here. We probably don't have to put anything else away, right? No. Yeah, so just leave everything else outside. It's fine.